Hello everyone, I'm Shinru, the Leyard recommender. The World Cup is very hot. 2,200 square meters is facing the storm on the Mexican plateau. It's a hit, but today I want to talk to you about before each LED outdoor screen is shipped, must undergo rigorous testing. In the 1,000 square meter central lab, we use salt spray testing to simulate the coastal high salt fog to accelerate the corrosion process.
To verify that even in the continuous warm and humid air outdoors, the box will never rust.
Focus on this IP6 6-level continuous waterproof protection test. It protects against not ordinary but severe water accumulation under extreme rainstorms. It can even withstand the continuous erosion of high-pressure water flow.
We are not conducting a simple waterproof test, but simulating extreme outdoor environments. And simulate complex environments such as sand and dust. To test the product's protection against dust intrusion, observe the product's operating state in special environments to ensure that it can still operate, can still output stably.
Hot and cold shocks from minus 40 to 60 degrees. We simulate the device in low and high temperature operating conditions to reduce the risk of failure.
Before leaving, must undergo rigorous testing. We insist on high standards for products.
Leyard has 10 R and D bases worldwide. Here is the Leyard Southern Headquarters Laboratory Center. Our outdoor displays are sold all over the world. They must undergo rigorous factory tests to travel far and wide. Fearless of challenge to keep the display products online. I am the Leyard recommender. Next time, I will show you more Leyard visual effects.